Welcome to Dr. Dean's bonus video titled Healthcare Cannot Be a Right. People have been told repeatedly that healthcare is a basic human right. Well, I say it can't be, not if you believe in human dignity and freedom. As one word, healthcare refers to our complex and incredibly expensive system for financing and delivering of health goods and services. As two words, health care is a personal service offered to a patient by a professional. It is a provider's work product. A right is a moral obligation or legal entitlement that everyone has. You don't have to qualify for a right. You don't have to pay for a right. For instance, religious freedom. And there is no limit to the amount of your rights, such as free speech or due process under the law. Everyone knows that by rejecting control by the British aristocracy in 1776, Americans established our autonomy as a nation. What people sometimes forget is that the Declaration also emphasized the independence of the individual from any control by a central government. Imagine if healthcare were a right. The patient could demand the doctor's personal service wherever, whenever, and whatever the patient wants, and the doctor would have to comply. No one can say no to a right. Furthermore, if healthcare is a right, the patient doesn't have to pay the provider. Do you pay for your right to assemble or your right to be secure in your home? Of course not. If you believe healthcare is a right, then this is the doctor-patient relationship, master and slave. A patient's right to a doctor's service takes away the doctor's liberty. Americans believe that freedom and individual autonomy come before everything else. Enslaving any group is intolerable, unethical, and illegal. Therefore, so is any so-called right to health care. The logic is inescapable. If you're not already on the website We Can Fix Healthcare, please check it out at www.deanwaldman.com. That's Dean with an E. If you click on the blue icon at the upper right, you can access the free videos, the other articles, and other downloads. There is no charge for all this bonus material. Thank you for watching and for being part of the cure for our sick healthcare system.